Hi dear students, good morning all of you. Today I want to begin the lesson expansion from 9th class mathematics. Lesson expansion. The basic concepts of expansion you have already learned in earlier classes, and the formula which are required for solving question from exercise you learned in earlier classes. Let us today recall of basic concepts of expansions. First of all, I want to explain to you the formula a plus b all square. A plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now you may ask me, what do you mean by expansion? Expansion is a process in which the contents of brackets are evaluated. Here, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And you know, here a is the first term and b is the second term. First term plus second term all square, which is equal to square root of first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square root of the second term. The same way, let us learn the second formula. A minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here you can see a minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Again, third formula, a plus b all square plus a minus b all square is equal to 4 2 into a square plus b square. A plus b all square plus a minus b all square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. Here you can see we have first result and the second result. On adding first and second, we get the third one. On adding a plus b all square plus a minus b all square is equal to, we are adding here a square plus a square to a square, b square plus b square to b square, and plus ab minus 2ab on adding becomes 0. So we get a plus b all square plus a minus b all square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. And the fourth formula is a plus b all square minus a minus b all square is equal to 4ab. And this a minus b all square is equal to 4ab. Then fifth formula, a plus 1 by a all square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Sixth formula, a plus 1 by a minus 1 by a all square is equal to a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Again, let us continue. The seventh equation is a plus 1 by a all square plus a minus 1 by a all square is equal to a plus 1 by a all square plus a minus 1 by a all square is equal to 2 into a square plus 1 by a square. Again, let's continue. The eighth equation is a plus 1 by a all square minus a minus 1 by a all square is equal to 4. Now we study equation from 1 to 8. Each of these equations is an identity. Each of these equations is an identity. Now you may ask, what is an identity? An equation which is true for all values of its variable. An equation which is true for all values of its variables is called an identity. Each of these 8 equations is an identity. A plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is an identity. Likewise, a minus b all square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is an identity. That is, each of these equations is an identity. Now we are going to solve questions from exercise 4a. Let us solve question from exercise 4a. Exercise 4a. Question 1. Find the square of first 2a plus b. It is asked to find the square of 2a plus b. Solution: 2a plus b all square is equal to 2a all square plus 2 into 2a into b plus b square. Now it is clear to you, square of first term plus 2 into first term 2a into second term here is b. So second term b plus square of second term. So we get 4a square plus 4ab plus b square. This 3a plus 7b. Find the square of 3a plus 7b. Solution: 3a plus 7b whole square is equal to 3a whole square plus 2 into 3a into 7b plus 7b whole square. Square of first term, you can see here 3a is first term and 7b is second term. So here square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term, that is 3a square plus 2 into 3a plus 7b plus 7b whole square, which is equal to 9a square plus 42ab. We multiply these numbers, we get 42ab plus on squaring 7b we get 49b square. Therefore we can say 9a square plus 42ab plus 49b square is the expansion of 3a plus 7b whole square. Now let's go to the third question. 3a minus 4b. Find the square of 3a minus 4b. Find the square of 3a minus 4b. Solution: 3a minus 4b whole square is equal to 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 4b whole square. And in the first two questions and the third question, we applied the identity a plus b whole square, and here we applied a minus b whole square identity. Because here is sign is negative, so we applied here a minus b whole square identity. 3a minus 4b whole square is equal to 3a whole square minus 2 into 3a into 4b plus 4b whole square, which is equal to 9a square minus 24ab plus 16b square. 9a square minus 24ab plus 16b square is the expansion of 3a minus 4b whole square. Now I think it is clear to you. Question from 1 to 3. I think you understood with all the points. Here first and second and third one we applied two different identities. In the first and second we applied a plus b whole square identity, and the third one we applied a minus b whole square identity. A plus b, once more I repeat, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now let us solve question number 2. Use identities to evaluate. Question 2. Use to evaluate. Use identity evaluate 1. 101 all square. Here we are going to use identities you learned in the same lesson. 101, that is 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 all square. Now we use here identities. 100 all square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. This is equal to 10,000 plus 200 plus 1, which is equal to 10201. So, the second question is asked to find use identities to evaluate 101 all square, and 101 is written in the form 100 plus 1 all square. So here we apply a plus b all square identity, and it is written in the expanded form 100 all square plus 2 into first term is 100 into second term 1 plus square of the second term. Then after finding squares, 10,000 plus multiply these three numbers